So what is that story about, Reese?
The volcano got on the boy's head. Then he was sad.
He was sad because the volcano got lava on his head?
Mm-hmm.
And then what happened?
I am going to say sad.
Do you want me to tell you how to spell it?
A-O.
Okay.
O-E. And that says sad.
Okay. Then what happened after he was sad? What's happening over here? On the other side of the page.
O.
And what is that story about?
Z.
That's a good Z.
Yeah.
What were you telling me that story was about with the bubbles?
Okay, do you want to color me?
Yeah, sure. Can you tell me the story of what's going on with the bubbles in this other picture?
No, I don't want to.
Okay, I'll color with you.